Thanks for staying with us today. I'm Doug Reardon.
I'm Janice Allen. A key moment in court today, possibly one of the last before the suspects accused in the governor's kidnapping plot will head to trial.
Attorneys for 5 of the men charged argued that it was government agents, not their clients, who hatched that plan, and they were in court today looking for evidence to prove it. Despite having around 300 text messages between undercover agents, their FBI handlers, and the men involved in a plot to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer, the defense for those men says they want more.
We think that they had text communication throughout the balance of the investigation, and we don't have that. And that's what we're seeking. But
Christopher Gibbons, attorney for suspect Adam Fox, says the ideas to plant pipe bombs, fire shots into the governor's vacation home, and others came from undercover agents, not the men being charged. A group of 5 suspects and their attorneys now want possession of a phone belonging to one undercover agent known only as Dan. They say there are text messages on that phone that might prove their clients were duped into criminal activity. What was it that you think was missing?
Whatever communication was occurring between the informants and their handlers, we want to have a full understanding of how those communications were being made and what those communications were, because we think they bear on the whole issue of entrapment.
The U.S. Attorney says they've given the defense everything they have and that some messages were encrypted and have since disappeared. Even still, they say the defense has the agent's reports from those days, and any other requests for evidence are simply fishing for proof. But Thursday, Gibbons and the defense focused on the informant's FBI handlers, sowing doubt into the character of a trio of men they say pulled the strings of the kidnapping plot from behind the scenes. In particular, Special Agent Jason Chambers. According to recent reporting by BuzzFeed and court documents, Chambers was the founder of Exintel LLC, an internet intelligence company. That company was linked to this far-right Twitter account that on October 7th, hours before secretive, coordinated raids on the kidnapping suspects, tweeted this out. "Don't worry, Michigan, I told you, a lot more coming soon." Defense attorneys claim because of his company, Chambers may have been trying to make financial gains by perpetuating the kidnapping plot.
Things that need to be disclosed should be disclosed.
Yet, with the defense unable to cite any case law to justify turning over an undercover agent's phone and no real particulars of what it actually was they wanted, the judge denied the motion altogether, saying the defense has everything the government does. As for what's next,
just continue to prepare for trial, so October is right around the corner.
And since this all came to light, defense attorneys say the Exintel site has been taken offline.